figured I would mention this since everybody's always curious about injector duty cycle and just how the car performs. This is after ripping it for the last like half hour or so. As you can see, injector duty cycle only at 60%, no feedback knock, and the dam is at 1, has never changed. Intake temp, 81 degrees, it's 58 degrees out. Oh, just went to 82 because I'm sitting. It's 58 degrees outside right now, so, and there we go, 18.85 PSI, and this car absolutely performs amazing. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So today, actually yesterday, March 4th, 2023, marked my 6-year ownership of my 2017 STI. I bought this car March 4th, 2017, brand new from my dealer in everything that I wanted. I wanted lapis blue, I wanted the base package, I didn't want the leather, I didn't want the sunroof, I just wanted something simple that I can modify because ultimately I knew everything that I would get in a limited, I would eventually change and kind of upgrade over time. So every single year I kind of update you guys on my ownership, let you guys know what I think of this car, if anything should change, and I always like doing these videos because it's amazing to me that I've had this car for 6 years. I will start off by saying that this is the longest car I have ever owned in my entire life. My going rate for normal cars was usually 2 to 3 years, but for some reason this one just stuck around and I had a hard time letting it go, and 6 years later here we are, and I still own it. So wanted to update you guys, go over my thoughts after all this time, if I still love it, do I still enjoy the car, are there other cars that I'm interested in, you know, that kind of stuff. In 6 years, a lot of new cars have come out on the market, so it's very, very easy to be tempted with something new and something different. So that is kind of what I want to go over, let you guys know what I think of the car after all this time, and is it something that I still plan on keeping for another year or more. So let's start from the beginning as to why I got an STI. At the time, I was looking for an all-wheel drive, 4-door, manual, fun car, something that I could maintain easily, that wasn't crazy expensive, and also something that I could modify. I was a dad of 1 at the time. I have 3 kids now. So I was looking to get back into a fun car. I was driving a Jeep Grand Cherokee, which I loved, but it was just really boring to me and I really wanted to get back into something fun. Being a dad, becoming a parent, you know, your mind changes dramatically about everything that you do in life, and even cars. You know, cars is my biggest passion in life. I wanted to get a car that was going to be safe for my entire family. I wanted to get a car that was going to keep me entertained and I would enjoy for many, many years to come. And every car that I tried, the STI just seemed to check all the boxes for me. It was just the perfect mix of exactly what I was looking for. So I picked this car up. I believe I got it with like 6 or 7 miles on it. It was directly from the dealer. It just came off the truck. I was looking to order one in lapis blue in this exact spec, but I was keeping a close eye on my local dealer to see if they, you know, what was coming in. And luckily this one just came in and I ran right to the dealer and I picked it up. So this car started out as my daily driver. I needed something that I can drive year round in all types of weather. I didn't want to worry about if it was raining, snowing, or anything like that. And the first year or two, this car was my daily driver. I drove it through snow, I drove it through literally anything. And that's what these cars are meant to do. That's what's so great about them. They're so versatile. The all-wheel drive system in the Subarus are absolutely insane. Even with some proper all-seasons like these, the Continental DW SO6s are amazing in the snow. These cars with a proper winter tire like Blizzaks or something like that is incredible. I've been fortunate enough to be able to drive Subarus in the winter with a proper winter setup before, and it's pretty incredible what these things are capable of. However, over the time, I got very fortunate enough where I was able to kind of keep this car in the garage, and I was able to pick up a daily driver, so I didn't have to worry about this car getting dinged up and just kind of destroyed through the northeast winters. So this car became my garage queen. It became my fun car, it became my weekend car. And I know the Subaru STI is meant to be driven year-round, but knowing how much I love this car, I absolutely love the fact that I was able to keep this in the garage, nice and clean, and I can take it out whenever I wanted on nice, warm, sunny days. So if you guys have been following me along through this entire journey, you guys know that I have been building up this STI over the last 6 years. I started this channel with my M3. Actually, if you go back, you'll be able to see some really old, very crappy videos, pretty much just exhaust videos. And you know, I didn't really think much of YouTube or where I was doing with it. I was putting up videos for exhaust samples and everything since everybody was interested in the exhaust setups that I was running on my M3. So never really thought of documenting my journey through video. What I did on the forums is do the exact same thing that I'm doing now. However, I was doing it in forum format. So I was doing kind of journal entry posts, going over my reviews with pictures and everything like that. So since then, forums have kind of diminished. There's not as much traffic there and everything. About 2 or 3 years into ownership with this car, I started making videos. Now, it wasn't anything extravagant. It wasn't anything to the extent that we are doing now, but it was more so just kind of reviewing the car, going over all the modifications, kind of getting you guys all caught up of everything that I have done. Since then, I've been building the car up on YouTube. You guys have been following me along, seeing the entire journey, going over every single thing that I have put on the car, taken off the car, what have you. And it has been an absolute blast doing that. I love going back and looking at old videos, seeing where the car was, where my thoughts were. It's one of my favorite things to do. Not only is it a good thing for me to look back on and see the history of the car, but it's also a great selling tool. So if it ever came down to it, you know, I have all the documentation, all the videos, all the reviews, everything on this car that somebody can go back and take a look and see the entire history of everything that has been done to this car and just kind of how it's performing and all that. So really good thing to do if you guys are looking to get into YouTube or just kind of documenting your car journey. Highly recommend it. It has been such a great experience for me, and I have enjoyed doing this immensely. Now again, if you guys have been following me along, you know that the current state of this car and the current modifications on here, there used to be a lot more modifications. There was a much different look, different wheels, pretty much a bunch of carbon and everything. I mean, you guys know if you've been watching the videos, but it's still very nicely modified. Still have ton of power, 413 horsepower, 358 foot-pounds of torque, Blausch 1.5 XTR turbo, equal length headers, Killer B equal length headers, and a ton of amazing modifications on this car. It is an absolute blast to drive, and I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out. With all of the vendors and companies that I have worked with over the years, I don't think I would have been able to put together such a perfect, well-rounded STI if it wasn't for all of the vendors and companies and people that I have been able to work with over the years for this car. It is an absolute blast, and I cannot tell you how fun this thing is with the current setup. It is absolutely perfect. If you guys are interested in all of the power modifications, make sure you go back and check the performance videos that I have done on this car. I've gone over every single thing in terms of power and, you know, kind of breaking down the entire car of all the modifications. But man, this car has been an absolute blast over the last 6 years. One big reason why I absolutely love this car and my ownership was the maintenance cost. I came from the M world, the M tax, the German tax, and everything that you did was $1,000. Specifically for me, I owned an E46 M3. Every 20 to 30,000 miles, you had to do inspections. So inspection 1, inspection 2, that was just kind of what it was called in terms of what was needed to be done. And it ranged anywhere from $1,200 to over $2,000 to get all of that maintenance stuff done. And I was like 22, 23 when I owned that car, and that's pretty darn expensive. Dropping $1,000 to $2,000 on maintenance was pretty crazy to me at the time. So coming from that, I knew I wanted something that was just easy to maintain. I didn't want to spend a ton of money having to keep it up and running properly. And the really nice thing about an STI is that it's a Subaru. You know, it's very basic maintenance. Coolant flushes, belt changes, spark plug changes, oil obviously, diff and transmission flushes, you know, the basic stuff. And in 6 years, I added up all the costs associated with maintenance with this car, and it was just around $1,000. So 6 years, $1,000 in maintenance, pretty darn good. I have no complaints whatsoever. And I'm sure many people wouldn't have any complaints either. That is pretty amazing to think. And to be honest, this has been my most reliable car I've ever owned. I have owned brand new cars before in the past that have been in the shop for months on end. And this thing, every single time I've gotten in it, it has never let me down. It has started right up every single time. It has gotten me to point A to point B, no problem. I have gone on long road trips. I went to Connecticut for Wicked Big Meat this past summer. I drove 7 hours on this setup. Well, I had a lot more modifications at the time, but the power setup, and it just drove flawlessly. It was super comfortable, very accommodating. And, you know, this car, honestly, I have a very hard time finding another vehicle that is as good as the STI. So I wanted to round up this video in the car. Got a little cold and windy and everything, and I just wanted to get in front of the camera and say thank you. Thank you to everybody that has supported me in this entire journey with this STI. It has been an absolute blast building this car, kind of showing you what I think is the perfect kind of bolt-on, daily driven STI that I could possibly build. And again, thank you to all the vendors and people that I have worked with. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys, and especially everybody that watches. It's been one of those things, every time I walk out into the garage and I see the car, I'm like, man, it is pretty amazing to own such a cool car. And even in its current state, and just driving it now, I don't drive it very often anymore. It's pretty, it puts a smile on my face no matter what. And I just wanted to say thank you, everybody, for taking the time to watch my videos and kind of watching the journey of this car. It has been a blast. And 6 years, yeah, it is a very, very long time. I'm not going to lie. You know, when I first bought this car, I told myself I wanted something that was going to keep my interest for at least 5 years. Why 5 years? No reason other than I just wanted to make sure that I wanted to get a car that I wasn't going to keep jumping around. I wanted something that would keep my interest. And one of the biggest things that kept my interest about this car was not only the channel, but also the aftermarket support. The aftermarket support on this car is enormous. And I didn't want to get a car that didn't have that kind of support, because modifying a car is one of the best parts about ownership for me. I love creating my own vision and just making it the car that I want to make it, kind of improving what's good, but make it even better. And I feel like I've really done that with this car. I feel very accomplished. I feel very complete. This is one of those ownerships in cars that I will never forget. It will go down in easily one of my favorite cars that I've ever owned. I don't get a chance to drive this car very much anymore, just with life and everything. And what I want to do is just go out and go for a drive, get some more miles on it, enjoy it. I really don't get much free time being a dad and everything. So it's nice to kind of get out, not really think about anything else other than just driving and enjoying your car. And that is exactly what I'm going to go do right now. I'm probably just going to put down the camera, not worry about getting content and everything like that. Just enjoy the day, enjoy the car, kind of reminisce and go back on all the years that I've had this car and all the different phases and everything. It's pretty cool to see where it's been and where it is currently. And again, I can't thank you guys enough for watching and kind of going along with me on this whole entire journey. But that is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Been an absolute amazing car. Absolutely love it in my 6 years of ownership. And it's unfortunate that Subaru has nixed the STI from their lineup. The FA24, the VBWRX, is an amazing vehicle that has been proven to put down some serious power with minimal mods. I think that is going to be a great chassis for anybody that is interested in getting into a brand new Subaru. I don't think you can go wrong with those. Yes, looks are back and forth, but they have gotten pretty cool looking with a lot of aftermarket companies and people getting their hands on them and kind of doing everything. They definitely catch my eye more than they have in the past. So if you are looking to get into a brand new Subaru, I definitely recommend them. But if you can get your hands on a very, very well maintained, low mileage, well done STI in the used market, I highly recommend it. They are just amazing cars, whether people think so or not. They are truly one of the last mechanical driver engaging cars on the road today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all about the car, my ownership, or anything else at all, be sure to ask them below. But in the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.